We are a global active technology company in the automation sector, providing innovative and efficient solutions for the bioprocessing industry. Advanced tech is not only key for our customers, but for our internal processes and systems as well. With 60 subsidiaries and over 3,000 employees globally, we need to keep our processes lean and efficient. However, despite being a fully tech-driven enterprise, Komax's HR departments were still relying on outdated systems. Each country used a variety of local tools, which resulted in inefficiencies in administration and reporting. Change for a new, harmonized system was something that everybody was looking forward to. Since Komax was already using SAP in other areas, choosing SAP SuccessFactors for the HR transformation was a straightforward decision. When it came to choosing the implementation partner, TTS was an obvious choice. They were the only one of our shortlisted companies that provided actionable best practices immediately.
At Komax, we faced the typical complexity of an international company. We had 70 languages, multiple countries and regions, with diverse cultures and regulations, and over 100 HR stakeholders. We started with the implementation of the core module of SuccessFactors, Employee Central. Employee Central is a key component of enhancing efficiency for personal administration, streamlining processes, and reducing administrative costs. What helped in this journey? Well, clear goals, clear focus, and of course, a very close collaboration.
To be honest, it was almost boring. There were no surprises. Everything ran smoothly. We were on schedule and under budget for all of the 5 modules we've implemented. I've never worked with a partner who managed to combine fun and collaboration with long-term solutions so nicely. Asking for results, transparency within Komax HR has never been so high. For instance, we now know that a large population of our workforce will retire in 5 years, and we can already now start the succession planning. We're still on a learning journey. We work together, we encourage each other, and we have fun together. The human touch is key, and people are our most important success factor.